I do? Just defending a girl who was being beaten? That's why I'm arrested now? Defending people that are going to be kicked out of their houses? How do you feel? No, I know that you're a human and maybe you have a family, you have kids. Do you want your kids to grow up and to grow old defending the wrong side? Defending the oppressors? This is what you wanted to be when you were young, when you were a child? To be in the wrong side? This is what you wanted? When you were a child dreaming to grow up and having big dreams, this is what you wanted? To be in the side of oppressors?